What has happened to Lulu? Let's check out the poem. What has happened to Lulu, mother? What has happened to Lulu? There's nothing in her bed but an old rag doll, and by its side a shoe. Why is her window white, mother? The curtain flapping free, and only a circle on the dusty shelf where her money box used to be. Why do you turn your head, mother? And why do teardrops fall? And why do you crumple that note on the fire and say it is nothing at all? I woke to voices late last night. I heard an engine roar. Why do you tell me the things I heard were a dream and nothing more? I heard somebody cry, mother, in anger or in pain. But now I ask you why, mother. You say it was a gust of rain. Why do you wander about as though you don't know what to do? What has happened to Lulu, mother? What has happened to Lulu? Important things in stanza 1. Not much here except the introduction of the nickname Lulu that the persona uttered to his mother. This probably shows that the persona and Lulu has a close relationship between siblings. One of the first line you can focus on is what did the persona see in the bedroom? As mentioned in the stanza 1, you can see the old rag doll and a shoe, only one side of a shoe. This indicates two things. Lulu leaving her innocence behind, probably her childhood because she's grown up a bit. Assumption is made that she's a teenager now and doesn't need the doll anymore. Also, she was in a hurry and left a shoe behind. So the common questions from this stanza includes who is the persona and what did Lulu leave on her bed? Important things in stanza 2. The keywords here are the curtain flapping free, meaning it symbolizes freedom and no restrictions as Lulu has run away from home. Another keyword, and only a circle on the dusty shelf where her money box used to be. It shows that Lulu has taken the money with her. Her window wide. Her bedroom window is wide, open, signifying that Lulu has run away from home. What are the common questions? What did Lulu take with her? And what does curtain flapping free indicate? Important things in stanza 3. The first two lines, why do you turn your head, mother, and why do teardrops fall? The mother is crying when the persona was asking her about it. However, the mother turned her head away as if to hide the fact that she is crying, probably in order to protect the truth from the young persona. The other two lines, and why do you crumple the note on the fire and say it is nothing at all? The mother threw the note, probably Lulu's running away note, into the fireplace and said to the persona that it was nothing. Again, probably protecting the persona. The common questions include what do you think the note is about? Why do you think the mother crumpled the note? And why did the mother cry? Important things in stanza 4. I woke to voices late last night. This line probably is referring to Lulu's voice and her friend or boyfriend, depends on which theory you prefer, that helped Lulu run away. I heard an engine roar, probably the sound of a car's engine. The next two lines, why do you tell me the things I heard and were a dream and nothing more? The persona was wondering why the mother told him that it was only in his dreams and the sound wasn't real. Mother is deflecting or shielding the truth from the persona, again a repeated stand since the previous stanza. Common questions include whose voices the persona may have heard that woke him up, and what can you infer from the line I heard an engine roar? Important things from stanza 5. The first two lines, I heard somebody cry, mother, in anger or in pain. The persona heard the sound of a cry but he couldn't be sure whether it was a cry of anger or pain. The last two lines, but now I ask you why, mother, and you say it was a gust of rain. The person was asking why the mother said the sound of the cry was just the sound of the rain or the wind. Mother is again deflecting or shielding the truth from the persona. The common questions include what does the phrase gust of rain being compared to, and what did the persona hear that night? Important things in the last stanza. Why do you wander about as though and you don't know what to do? These two lines are indicating that the mother is pacing about aimlessly and the persona was questioning this about her. The persona was puzzled to see his uncertain and aimless mother. He probably wants an explanation as he doesn't understand what's going on. The last two lines is just a repetition from what is on the first stanza. The common questions include how does the persona's mother feel and what does the persona notice about his mother? So the theme and moral values are as follows. Firstly, running away from home. Secondly, importance of close family ties. Thirdly, love for our family members. Lastly, coping with the loss of a family member. The moral values from the theme we have described earlier: we shouldn't run away from home as it doesn't solve our problems. We must have a close family relationship so we can discuss about our problems. We must love our family members, and the loss of a family member affects everyone in the family. Also, what are the common HOTS questions? Why do you think Lulu decided to run away? Some suggested answers: she had an argument or disagreement with her mother, or mother was putting too much pressure on her, probably study-wise. Another question: why teenagers in general run away from home? A bit similar to the previous question. You can say they felt they are in a prison or restricted, their parents are putting too much pressure, or the more gruesome answer, they are abused at home. Why do you think the mother answered the persona like she did in the poem? Or she wanted to protect the persona from the truth, or she just thinks the persona is too young to be burdened with such knowledge. And last hot question: what can you do to prevent someone in your home from running away? You should talk with them and listen to their problems, or you just spend time with them and show that they matter to you.